Hi guys, I am RC Anjit. I am Telugu Tech Science Vlogger. So this is the third episode of Space series. I am going to explain about the planets which are there in solar system. How did they form and what are their statistics and everything about them. So let's start our video. Before seeing this video, you must like, share and subscribe my channel so you will get notifications of my new videos. So let's start our video. So guys, these four planets are called inner planets or rocky planets. So let's start from the Mercury, which is the smallest planet and nearest planet to the Sun, with a diameter of 4,879 kilometers and its average surface temperature is 167 degrees Celsius. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Mercury. It contains a solid crust which is 35 to 54 kilometers, a rocky mantle which is 600 kilometers, a solid anticrust which is 100 kilometers, a molten outer core which is 1325 kilometers, and a solid inner core which has a diameter of 1400 kilometers. One day on Mercury is equal to 58.6 Earth days. Mercury takes 88 Earth days to orbit around Sun. Now let's learn about Venus. Venus is also called the twin of Earth because it's almost the diameter of Earth. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Venus. It contains a solid crust, rocky mantle and a metallic core which contains silicate minerals. The average surface temperature on Venus is 464 degrees Celsius. With this average surface temperature, it is the hottest planet in solar system. This is due to the presence of sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. These gases help the atmosphere to trap the heat. This is called greenhouse effect. The diameter of Venus is 12,104 kilometers. A day on Venus is equal to 243 Earth days and an year on Venus is equal to 224.7 Earth days. That means a day on Venus is longer than an year on Venus. So guys, I am not telling about Earth because we all know about it. So I am going to tell about Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is also called the red planet because iron oxide which is present in the crust of Mars is appeared as red color. It has a diameter of 6,792 kilometers. A day on Mars is equal to 24.6 hours and an year on Mars is equal to 687 Earth days, which means 2 years on Earth. Mars is like a red desert. It contains dry river beds that show us water flown here long ago. In past, Mars may even have been warm, wet and enough for life to flourish. The Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in solar system which is present in Mars. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Mars. It contains a solid crust, molten mantle and a red-hot iron core. After Mars, a huge asteroid belt divides inner planets and outer planets. Now let's learn about outer planets, which are also called gas giants. First, Jupiter, which is the largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 139,822 kilometers. Jupiter has an average surface temperature of minus 145 degrees Celsius. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Jupiter. Jupiter contains a gaseous crust, liquid metallic hydrogen and an metallic core which is hotter than the surface of Sun. A day on Jupiter is equal to 9.9 hours and a year is equals to 11.9 Earth years. Jupiter contains a giant storm which is ranging from 300 years which is called Great Red Spot which is almost the size of Earth. Jupiter contains the most number of moons in the solar system which is 69, in which some of them are discovered by Galileo and others are discovered by recent scientists. In those moons, Ganymede is the largest moon which is quite larger than the Mercury. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 116,464 kilometers. It has an average surface temperature of minus 180 degrees Celsius. A day on Saturn is equal to 10.7 hours and an year on Saturn is equal to 29.5 Earth years. Saturn is thought to be beautiful by its magnificent ring system. These rings are thought to be formed by comets, asteroids and shattered moons which which are brought together by Saturn's gravity. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Saturn. It contains gaseous crust, liquid hydrogen mantle, and rocky core. Saturn contains 62 moons, which are a part of its rings. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, contains liquid methane, lakes, and oceans. Scientists believe that humans can live here after terraforming it. Now, Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system with a diameter of 50,724 kilometers. It has an average surface temperature of minus 216 degrees Celsius. A day on Uranus is equal to 17.2 hours and an year on Uranus is equal to 84 Earth years. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Uranus. It contains a gaseous crust, hot liquid mantle, and a core which contains silicate minerals. Uranus is special for its tilt of 97 degrees angle due to its collision with another planet in its past. Uranus has 27 moons. In those, Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda are the main moons. Now, Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet to the Sun. It has a diameter of 49,528 kilometers. It has a surface temperature of minus 201 degrees Celsius. A day on Neptune is equal to 16.1 hours. And a year on Neptune is equals to 163.7 Earth years. Now let's learn about the interior parts of Neptune. It contains gaseous crust and liquid cold mantle and rocky ice core. Neptune has 14 moons. In those, Hippocamp, Proteus, Larissa, Galatea, Despina, Naiad, Thalassa are the main moons. Guys, I hope that you understood my explanation. Any connections, you can inform me in comments. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.